My name's Claudio,
And I'm Ken.
and we just had some renovations done in our new home. Our home actually was built in 2015. When we bought the house, we generally liked the layout of the house, but there were certain, the finishings, the colors, the selection of the upgrades and all that were really not our style at all. It wasn't modern, it wasn't airy. It wasn't, the kitchen wasn't very functional, and it wasn't aesthetically pleasing. So we found Senso online when we did a search. We looked at the reviews, they were excellent, but we thought, okay, well, let's get an estimate for them, just to have 3 estimates and just be done with it. And when we went to see Roman, we were just blown away by the care and detail that he put into the estimate, and also the price level. It was a very sort of, doable price level, much more than the other companies we were dealing with. So we thought, you know what, let's give them a chance. And we couldn't be more thrilled with the results. One of the biggest issues was that we didn't have enough space for our dining room in this area. So one of the things we did was we converted a terrace that was off the kitchen and made that into new 100% living space, and made that into the dining room. So now we have all the space we need, and we're just thrilled beyond words, really.
Problem solving. When we had issues with certain things happening and things were out of order, Roman always made sure there were people here working. We had problems getting some of the appliances in. He made sure that we could have movers that would move things through an open space in the back wall. So we really solved a lot of problems, and things went very smoothly. Always working, always finding things to do, and really, we came out the whole project right on time. It was very well done.
There was one little glitch that happened with as you can see, we have a 2-tone cabinet colors, and when the cabinets came in after a couple of weeks, it takes time to order and have them manufactured and delivered. They came in the top cabinets were the wrong finishing. They were flat instead of a high gloss finish. So we very quickly had to correct that issue. They were able to get everything corrected and delivered and installed within just over a week. So if you can imagine, that is almost instant turnaround. And we were very impressed. We had a very sort of a hard time limit to get this done before the holidays. And we were just very impressed. So this is phase 1 of renovations that we want to do. We want to also tackle the top floor and then the ground floor as well. So we are absolutely definitely going with them for phase 2 and for phase 3. And we would highly recommend this company, and specifically Roman, who we dealt with. He was our project manager. He was amazing. Very responsive to everything that we brought up. Very easy to work with. Easygoing, and yet, productive, and got things done. Absolutely, we recommend him.